Welcome back. Students of GMC have won top honors at two national level conferences held in Maharashtra in March and April this year. This is the first time GMC has won top honors at Pravara Institute of Medical Science at Loni and Mahatma Gandhi Mission Medical College at Aurangabad. Students say it's high time Goan professional colleges should organize such competitions as Goans are capable of organizing national events.
At Inventum 2014, a national-level medical research conference held at Pravara Institute of Medical Science at Loni, Maharashtra, GMC's Neha Rocha and Lauren Norona won second place for poster presentation. GMC's Nikita Talaulikar won third place for a paper presentation, and at the same conference, Siddharth Basuroy won second place for a debate.
We presented a poster at the conference held in Loni. Our objectives of the study were to see the acceptance, the awareness and the factors influencing non-acceptance of the mothers towards contraception.
Some of the factors which influence the non-acceptance were male child syndrome, husband's dominance, and if the baby is too small, no one is there to look after the baby and all this.
In another conference named Plexus held in April at Mahatma Gandhi Mission Medical College at Aurangabad, GMC's Nikita Talaulikar won the first place and Siddharth Basuroy won third place for paper presentation. At the same conference, Siddharth and Nikita won second place for a case presentation. GMC's Kshitija Volvoikar won third place for a case presentation.
I presented a case over there. It was on bilateral congenital spherophygia. It was a slightly unusual presentation, and that's why I presented the case, and I received the third place for it.
We realized that we are at par with any other college, and I think the experience of the first conference helped us to do better in the second conference, because there we were much more comfortable, a lot more confident.
It's high time that all the professional colleges in Goa start organizing on their own some national level professional competitions and contests where all the colleges can come together. We Goans also have that capability to organize some national level conferences of good high standards.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
1983 World Cup hero Mohinder Amarnath took a pot shot at the current state of affairs in cricket by saying that the match against West Indies was not fixed. He was referring to the historic victory for underdogs India over the mighty West Indies in the 1983 title clash in England. Amarnath was in Goa for the unveiling of the 4th anniversary edition of Viva Goa magazine.
Mohinder is reportedly one of the former players who could be a part of the Mukul Mudgal committee, which is probing the spot fixing, match fixing and other allegations against BCCI president and some of the most famous cricketers in IPL. However, that did not stop Mohinder from taking a dig at the dubious state of cricket nowadays.
One thing I'll say very frankly, it wasn't fixed. 83. Because nowadays you hear all these matches, all the inquiries are going on, plenty of things are happening, a lot of excitement. And yeah, probably I think I was playing in a different era altogether. And it was great actually.
The 63-year-old former all-rounder also revealed how cricket was run by innocent and simple people in the good old days.
We went there in a simple fashion. Because when the team left, there were only 4 BCCI officials left come to the airport to say goodbye to the players. Because they thought we were again going for holidays. And we as players, we also thought we were there for holidays, to be very honest. But things started getting better, and coming back to the final, I think it was great to win the finals. And because that time we felt proud to be an Indian, to be very honest. Because the moment we took the last wicket, we thought, okay, we have in us and we can do it and we can achieve anything. And I always believe and feel from my heart that we Indians are the best.
Video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Secretary of Goa Athletic Association Paresh Kamath feels that his appointment as the manager of Indian youth athletics team He is a boost for Goa's prospect as a major destination for athletics events. Kamath will travel with the Indian team for Youth Olympics qualifying event in Bangkok later this month. Kamath thanked the Athletics Federation of India for giving him this opportunity.
First of all, I AFI thanks म्हणटा की ताणें म्हजेर विश्वास दाखयलो. आमी जी यूथ नॅशनल्स केल्ली पळय तांणी इतले प्रभावीत जाल्ले AFIचे. इट वॉज वेल ऑर्गनायज्ड. आमकां कॉम्प्लिमेंट्स तांणी धाडले. इवन दे वर सेंड अ लेटर. आनी आमकां हो अपॉयंटमेंट हो म्हाका इतलो आश्चर्य आमकां इतलें बरें दिसलें की फर्स्ट टायम I just took over as secretary 1 year and athletic association that time was actual mess. ते आमी जाग्यार हाडून बऱ्या प्रमाणान चलयले ताजी म्हाका ही पोस्ट पावती कशी दिसता. आतां आमी आमचो कोचूय एक इंडिया ज्युनियर टिमीन घाला ड्यू टू हिज एफर्ट्स एंड एसोसिएशन एफर्ट्स पॅट्रिक स्वारीस. सो आतां ताकाय आमी इंडिया टिमीवर धाडपाचो तेन्ना प्रयत्न करतले.
आनी आतां फुडें सिनियर नॅशनल्स जर जाय जाल्यार आमकां इक्विपमेंट्स अपग्रेड कर म्हणला AFIन. सो ते तुमी आतां कशा तरेन फुडें व्हरता?
ना आमी आतां आय विल बी मिटींग आफ्टर द इलेक्शन कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टराक आनी हाका मेळटलो CMाकूय मेळटलो आनी डायरेक्टराकूय मेळटलो आनी आय विल आस्क देम फॉर द इक्विपमेंट बिकॉज दोज इक्विपमेंट्स आर व्हेरी कॉस्टली. सो आमकां ते घेवन एकदां दवरले की इवन AFI इज प्लानिंग अस टू गिव एशियन ग्रँड प्रिक्स नेक्स्ट इयर. सो ती दीत जर आमकां वील म्हणजे आवर GA वील बी ग्रेटफूल आनी आमचे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर म्हणजे चड डेवलप जातलें आनी एक्सपिरियन्सूय चड मेळटलो नॅशनल गेम्साक लागून आमकां की एथलेटिक्स हो मेजर इव्हेंट आहा सगळ्या हातूंनी. So if we want exposure, we should take either seniors or Asian Grand Prix.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.